Hey guys, so in the last module we were talking about how to get confidence if you're an introvert and different ways to talk to people and sort of get over your fears of selling in person. And today I've got my cat here. This is Val. She won't leave me alone, so she's just going to be hanging out in this video. So today we are going to be talking about how to make sales if you feel like you are not a natural salesperson. And this kind of goes hand in hand with being an introvert, but you can be a total extrovert and still hate sales. I know I hate sales. I have had so many jobs over the past, years since I've started working, when I was 16, that are just like, they're always trying to get you to upsell, and it's just gross and I hate it. And sign up for the credit card, or it's just, I am somebody who sucks at selling and I dislike it. And I don't think that you have to be a natural salesperson in order to make a lot of money at a craft fair. So I prefer to really let my work speak for itself and do sort of a soft sell. I'm not a hard seller. If you like my stuff, great. If you don't, that's okay. I am not trying to force somebody to buy something. I'm not trying to convince you, and I don't think that you should do that either. So the first thing you want to do before you even get to the show is tell your friends and family about it, post it on Facebook, post it on social media, and let as many people know as you can that is where you're going to be. If you can get friends and family and acquaintances to come to the show, they're actually going to be really likely to buy something for you because they love you, they support you, and they want to support your business. So that's an easy way to get some sales. Invite friends, invite coworkers, people that know you. If they show up, there's a really good chance they're going to want to buy something just because they love you and they want you to do well. That said, you can't obviously rely on friends and family to make your business get going. So the first thing you want to do is don't spend your whole time at the show staring into your phone, wasting your phone battery just on Facebook. Okay, do not keep your nose in your phone. I keep mine away until I need it for a credit card processing payment. I also do that so I don't waste the battery, because if somebody at the end of the show wants to use a credit card and my phone's dead, what do you do? So do not keep your nose buried in your phone. Look up, be friendly, start a conversation with people. When somebody comes over to my booth and starts looking at stuff, I invite them to pick it up, look at it closer. If people have a chance to interact with your things, to feel them, to touch them, I think they're more likely to buy something. So I'll let them know, hey, feel free to try anything on that you like. I have a mirror right here so you can check it out. If there's something that they're interested in that's on like a mannequin, I will take it off. I will put it on them like the necklace. I will show them what it looks like so that they can see. Same with hats. If they're kind of looking at a hat, here, try it on. Look in the mirror. It really helps if people can touch and feel and see it on themselves. So once somebody starts to be interested in something that you're selling, they have it on, they're looking, then you want to talk about the benefits. Okay, you could say, the metal is all nickel free. It won't irritate your skin. You could say, oh, that's gold plated, or it's sterling silver. You want to talk about the benefits. It's organic cotton. That wood is made out of fur. I don't know, whatever it is that you're selling. Have some ideas in your mind before you start the show to bring up in conversation when somebody starts looking at it, to let them know why that's special, why it's unique, why it would benefit them or help them solve a problem. I have some items that are made out of vintage or antique materials, and I always bring that up just so that they'll think and know that it's special. Oh, that key is an antique skeleton key. And I think people really like it if something that they're buying has an interesting story behind it. The next thing I'll do is I'll ask them if they have any questions, if they're kind of like, because they might just be too shy to ask. So do you have any questions? Well, I don't know if these earrings will irritate my ears. And that's when you could say, well, they're sterling silver or surgical stainless steel. They're made to be safe for people who have allergies. So you can kind of overcome any objections that way. Another thing you can do is if somebody is looking at two different things and they're having trouble deciding, you can always just off the cuff give them a special deal. If you buy one, you can get the next one 50% off. So you can offer just a special deal. You don't even have to advertise it. Just, if somebody isn't sure, you can kind of, if you're not sure, how about 20% off? So you can get them a discount. Sometimes for the last hour of a show when things are kind of winding down, I'll offer a special price. If someone's walking around and kind of looking at it, I'll just say, hey, just to let you know, it's the last hour of the show and everything's 50% off. And that can really help too, because if they're not going to buy anything, then you've made $0. And if you give them a 50% discount, at least you're still making 10, you might be making 10 instead of 20, but at least you're making 10 instead of 0. So that's sort of on a how you feel about it, how much you want to discount your work. It's kind of a personal thing, but it's kind of nice to do. It's better to make some money than no money. Let's see here. Like I said, you don't have to be a hard seller. I just like to let my work speak for itself, and hopefully people like it. And if they don't, I don't want them wearing it anyway. So let me know if you have any questions. Feel free to email me, put your messages in the Facebook group, and we will see you for the next module. Bye.